Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding a valid paint coupon code and confirming its restrictions. This saves time at checkout. You should check expiry, minimum spend, excluded brands, and whether it applies online or in store. Once done, add the exact paint cans to your cart, noting SKU, color name, and finish so you avoid returns. Make sure your cart meets the coupon's minimum and that any sale items aren't excluded. This prevents surprises when you apply the code at payment. You type the coupon into the promo or gift code field before you enter payment details. That order avoids lost discounts. After applying it, carefully verify the discount line, any changes to tax calculation, and the new total so you confirm savings. If you're choosing shipping or store pickup, make sure the coupon terms allow that option, and check for overlapping manufacturer rebates or reward points which may stack or be excluded. If numbers look wrong, don't finalize yet. You complete the order once the adjusted total is correct and immediately save the confirmation and a screenshot showing the coupon deduction. This protects you if later disputes arise. If the code fails, first recheck spelling and capitalization, then confirm the items in your cart meet coupon eligibility and minimum spend. If it still won't apply, contact customer support with your order number and the screenshot showing the failed attempt. This usually fixes it quickly and may result in a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.